Today we're going to take a look at Cat's Heater's custom diesel engine block heater in the frost plugged style. Now this is going to be a direct replacement for the frost plug in your engine block, and basically this helps to make startups easier in those winter months. It's going to help to make the heating of your cab faster and just also prevent any wear and tear on your vehicle from that cold weather startup. A lot of times the fluid in the engine block can get really thick and viscous whenever the weather gets cold and the temperature drops, and it just doesn't do its job anymore. It's not able to lubricate through our engine and keep everything moving as it should. So this is going to help to alleviate that problem by heating our engine block before we go to start up the engine. This is just going to replace that frost plug or core plug in our engine block and submerge into the coolant. It's going to warm that fluid to increase the lubrication and performance, and helps to keep the fluid from thickening. This preheats your engine, and so that's also going to reduce any condensation that builds up in your engine block, which means that it's going to produce less pollution and fewer gas emissions. There is a removable cord that comes with this. This just plugs in. You'll see we have the two-prong style there. You want to make sure that you kind of line those up before you push it into place. The prongs can kind of get bent out of shape if you don't have it fully lined up, so you definitely want to make sure that you have it lined up before you push it all the way in. You want to make sure that the lip gets fully seated there so that our nut can thread into place. That's just going to keep it secure while it does its job of heating up our engine. The other end is just going to plug into your standard 120 volt AC outlet. Now the nice thing about having a removable cord is that if the cord were ever to get damaged, you can replace this without having to get a whole new unit. We do sell replacement cords here at etrailer.com. If you need to pick up one of those, you can find that using part number KH28216. Again, here at etrailer.com, pick that up, you'll be ready to go. Now, as far as our heating element, it is going to be constructed of a corrosion-resistant brass, and this is going to be custom fit for your vehicle. Now, this is going to fit your Caterpillar 1100 and 3100 series. This is going to be CSA approved. The diameter of our element is going to be 1 3/4 inch in diameter. It's also going to have a wattage of 1500 watts, and the amperage is 12.5 amps. A couple things to keep in mind: you don't want to use this heater with a 100% antifreeze solution, and you also want to make sure that your engine is not on when the heater is plugged in. Whenever you're ready to go, you'll want to plug in your heater, let it heat up the engine, unplug it, and then turn on your engine. This product is also made in the USA. And that's going to do it for our look at the Cat's Heater's custom diesel engine block heater in the frost plug style.